Ishananda, son of Rajendran, and I am a fresh graduate from Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. I came here to the job of mechatronic engineering technician. I am very hardworking and a responsible person. As an example, my final year project has been selected for Mechanical Engineering Innovation Exhibition (MIEX) and I became as a runner-up for it. Other than that, I have 6 months of working experience as an intern at a project company. Now, as a graduate student, I want to implement my knowledge and also learn new things in my work. My greatest strength is the ability to work under high pressure. I usually ask enough probing questions before I started a task. By not asking enough questions ahead of time, I didn't fully understand which details were the most important. I have been practicing digging into the behind each task before beginning it since my diploma studies. That makes to do a proper time management and proper planning to complete a given task successfully each and every time. It's the opportunity to work in a team environment. I always wanted to work with a hardworking, responsible and experienced people so that I could able to learn more new skills and knowledge. I love contributing in team effort, pulling out best in myself and keep motivating and boosting up my fellow teammates for fulfilling the job goals given successfully. I learned about CAD software and electronic during my studies in diploma and your required skills including it. Apart from that, I also learned about programming logical control, well known as PLC, where it will be useful too for this job. I always wanted to improve my technical skills in CAD software and electronic. However, I have offered the basic about CAD software and electronic in my diploma studies. So I plan to do a 6-month course on electronic and now I have a industrial electronics license and I am going to complete my CAD software certificate in another 2 months. I heard about this role and company by one of your company employee working here. I had done my 6 months internship working in projects. Even I heard about many positive comments about this company and how the staffs are being treated. So I plan to give a try due to having an experience working in many kinds of projects during my internship. From what I know, your company is one of the best project industry in Johor Bahru, are fully experienced and skillful in delivery in any of mechanical, electrical and mechatronic projects. Apart from this, based on I read in your website, one of the companies responsible is to manage a project until delivery and commissioning and to tackle issues of the client to complete the project successfully on time. I'm glad that you asked this question. I see myself on more responsibility either through management or higher level individual contribution. I'm not sure which path I will pursue, but I knew my goal for right now is to build a strong foundation with more knowledge, skills, and value so that I have a successful future in this industry.